Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today in part 5 of our US Highway 11 series, we head north beginning at mile 45 as we leave the unincorporated community of Seneca, just north of the city of Lumberton, Mississippi. We're currently in a rural part of Lamar County. So far in US 11, since we entered Mississippi, we've passed through 3 small cities and a number of unincorporated communities, but most of it has been rural, and that won't be changing today. So sit back and enjoy the drive. I also wanted to mention that we've enabled channel memberships to help support our channel. Special thanks to Darren175, Audubon5425, and Tulsa Road/Roadclahoma, whose $1 monthly contributions go to help defray the costs of making these videos. You too can become a channel member for just $1 a month by clicking the link in the description below. Here, US 11 takes on a 2+1 passing lane configuration as we climb a pretty gentle hill. I assumed that the extra lane was just a right turn lane that would quickly come to an end and failed to move to the right to let people behind me pass. Fortunately, they took the right lane and went around. I hate to have people stuck behind me as I tend to drive more slowly than usual when I'm filming to catch more detail, so I usually take every opportunity to get out of the way and let people pass. We enter the city of Purvis, the county seat of Lamar County. Purvis was incorporated as a town in 1888 and named for founder Thomas Melville Purvis, spelled P-U-R-V-E-S. Purvis obtained a land grant in 1870 and built a 2-room log cabin at the present site of the city. In 1884, the New Orleans and Northeastern Railroad obtained right-of-way through Purvis's property, and a depot was built and marked with the name Purvis. Apparently verifying the spelling was too much work for the railroad. The Scottish clan Purvis had several acceptable spellings of the surname, one of which was P-U-R-V-I-S, so Thomas eventually had his name legally changed to match the name of the depot. We're in the telephone area code 601, and Purvis, Mississippi is the home of YouTuber 601 Travels. Purvis is noted to be located on the highest point on the Southern Railroad between Meridian and New Orleans. As of the 2020 census, Purvis had a population of 1,909. Over the years, the town has been damaged by tornadoes, with a severe outbreak in 1908 and more recently in 2022. The Purvis school system's mascot is a tornado, as a testament of the courage of those who endured the tornadoes of 1908, which changed the face of the emerging town, and in honor of those who lost their lives that day. On the left, you can see a complex that includes Purvis High School, elementary school, and the city's post office with the zip code of 39475. Here we enter the city of Hattiesburg, and since it's a large city that'll take a little while to drive across, we'll save that for the next video. So our video ends at mile 61 just before we cross I-59. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.